Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payroll in ADP mobile app to bank, full guide step by step clearly. Open the ADP mobile app on your device. Log in using your credentials. On the home screen, locate the Pay option. Tap on Pay to view your paycheck information. Select the paycheck you wish to withdraw from. Scroll down to find the Withdraw option. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the process. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, which may include direct deposit or checking account. If you select direct deposit, enter your bank account information. Make sure to double-check all details for accuracy. If you're withdrawing to a checking account, select the account from your linked accounts list. Review any withdrawal limits or fees associated with the transaction. Confirm your withdrawal method by tapping the Continue button. Follow any additional verification steps required, such as entering a security code. Once verified, review the summary of your withdrawal request. Tap Submit to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Check your bank account after the specified time to ensure funds are transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.